Good morning. Bless up. Manners. Now, people, as you see the title, we're speaking about some music this morning. This wonderful, blessing morning. Hope everybody's great. Doing fine. Now, people, right now, this show that's coming up in December has the potential to break the internet. And listen why I say that. People don't remember when the ticket sales thing are going and the whole glitch thing going, where them say the whole thing break and them have to get technicians to fix it because too much fans and the demand is so high. Alright then people. Well we're gonna talk music now. Make sure say wanna know what we do drop on the comments. Right? And we are keep it on a positive base. Big up on yourself. Now people listen to this. Me hear enough people talk about certain artists, but it's one artist when me not really hear them a talk about. Me don't know the difference between him and Vybz, right? Him have to iron out that. Listen what me I say. You have an artist when name Bling Dog. See? Me could say it again. One artist when name Bling Dog. Bling Dog and Vybz Kartel, right? Because remember, and this how this forward. Remember Cartel said, him a go do him thing from Blacker Cartel, Jersey Cartel, all of that, right? No. Bling Dog. Bling Dog name start ring like bell. People who know. And if the youth them don't know around in the school, then, you understand? Make them know. Because youths need to know about Bling Dog. People who don't know say the type of work with Bling Dog and Cartel have done. Enough artists still can match up to that work there. People, remember good no man. Remember good no man. Bling Dog and Vybz Kartel. And them did a run the place. Word for word in a video. Now, enough people they might not remember or them or act like them not remember. You understand? So me can just imagine Vybz Kartel calling out Bling Dog. Pan him sure, right? As when I say, I don't know the difference with them have why them never really link like that. But alive. People, all me I say right now, I'm not really business about with them on the issue. Me I talk about the music. Vybz Kartel call out Bling Dog bust tomorrow again. Remember me tell you that. Because the industry know what Bling Dog have to offer. You understand? And Vybz Kartel know say Bling Dog a good artist. It's Vybz Kartel would not do them type of song with Bling Dog. Study it now man. Now, we also see it's a couple of artists where we know say people I watch and I hope and pray to see these artists perform. But you see, anyhow, Cartel call out them money on him show, them have a career again tomorrow. See me? Me I talk about all eyes on them. All of the streams them gone up. The world wanna see Vybz Kartel and Ja Vinci on the stage and Black Rhino together. Where them a go with them Chinese Kelly Skella spread the 6 pants of it. Them song there, right? And it's a whole list, brother. That show they probably gonna keep for 2 days. You can't, bro. Brother, me and people that talk about say, yo, 3 hours not enough, brother. 3 hours not enough. We don't hear they look at 3 hours and create excitement. I teach you that you know how much I want to go to school for later. But they need more time on that, brother. We're not gonna need 2 days. And again, my next thing, the artists them, we know say, yeah, we don't want to be on the stage with the boss. But we have to know say it's time and place for everything. Don't try to be a groupie and try to work on the stage when Cartel is on the stage. If you don't want to work and make people respect, you don't try to open the show for Cartel. Enough of the artists them, I gotta tell them this because when you're not gonna try to go up there try to reach him, right, nobody not gonna look for a Cartel them want to see. So If you fit in, try to open the show now where people don't know what me I deal with. Because when you reach to that segment there, when a world boss time, that is moment. Yeah. Bandsman better depend them best performer. Are the world are looking, you understand? So, with that said, a lot of people are asked right now, what will happen? Will it be a Gaza reunion where the artists them get together and start do some great amazing work? Because honest to be honest, people, the crew when they was together and I make music, right? It was amazing. It was amazing. It was like a great moment in a dancehall when you see them go up on the stage. It teared up on a normal settings. It wasn't a normal thing. And trust me, would I love to see that moment there again. Especially the way the show is supposed to set and the way Cartel are going to do him set. You know what I mean? Give them the opportunity there. Highlight the greatness that them done, man. I tell you, Gaza are the biggest thing in a dancehall history. Let me say it again. Gaza has become the biggest thing in a dancehall history. And this not for nobody else success or them achievements when I say this. It's not to bash nobody. It's just my facts, my opinion. You have your own. Can't blame me for it and I go eat your feet. Hope you don't hate me for my own. But I just let it go. Right? Yeah. But me know say this show can resurrect a lot of artists in a dancehall again. So we're gonna see who really use them brain the right way and just go on the show. Hopefully them get booked for the show. Right? And just go and do your thing and do your best. And you have to remember that this will show you if you see Sting say them are gonna go and build and you not think say if you're there on this show it's a big deal, then just stop gas studio to get music. Cause this will show you you have to put on your A game. That's it there. Brother, this will show you I got bro, may I tell you say the lighting have to right. Everything have to be perfect. Remember, you know. Yeah, fans them a holler out and a ball and pick out them here what they them, some of them here about the price. Well, we never get a perfect show. You understand? Ain't too many artists can even approach you and tell us say them will perform for 1 hour, much less 3 hour. And me I tell you say the show deserve to be a 2 day, 3 day. That's how interested Cartel is. People want 3 hour not enough. Cause one, this show is so interesting. Listen to this. Cartel can got the show and not even one rhythm play if they are people just want to reason and hear Cartel voice. Just want to hear Cartel talk and tell them when go through. That's how Cartel life is. Yo, brother, when this man write all about him life, he's selling novel. He must say man one of the best author. Watch what I go on. You see? So, we could see as the world watching and anticipate to see the greatness in December 9th. I think December will be feeling like the middle of July. All of the spray can burn in flames. Lighters turn up phone light on. You should be able to see that show from space. Bright, 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 bright. It's a sold out event, people. And at this point, the world is saying Gaza to the fucking world. Sure, see you subscribe. So people, right now we are looking for see Labas on the show, definitely. Uno already know say people want to see popcorn on the show. Definitely. And also, people, we can't make the show go too far without speak and we not see the title say. They run out on the stage, with Vado. But you know say the whole world. Matter of fact, Vado, you have to go make an appearance here, sir. No, brother, history this. You see it? And as you know, see, vibes in a good spirit. But right now, people, that was such a major deal in a dancehall that it's only right. It's only right. You understand? Are the two biggest superstars. You understand? So here we are going. If I even want 10-minute performance and just go and do some of the body song them out of the clash, it would be amazing. And the fans would well receive. I mean I tell you say. I don't think say that place that can hold so much people in a rasta. I don't feel say that can hold enough people, brother. We would have to buy a piece of land and put on big screen over there and tell the people them say, yeah, my brother, just go and build and watch a show from here, cause you have to go park 3 mile down so to cause no space, road block. You come forward to see screen what is over the show. Yeah, that we are talking about, man. Dancehall is nice, man. Remember a long time them say dancehall is lock up, Well, no, dancehall that road one have to say support. That me go see what the real one them out there now. You hear that? Yeah. So we are looking for see Labas mash up the show cause when we don't know Labas get to work. Is it? And we don't say popcorn have so much it that even WAF can ship them. So it's very interesting. And as well, we don't know where it start from. We don't know where it forward from. Alliance. So the general, that's not even a question we have to ask. Like, how could Cartel show keep and Bounty Killer no forward? Like, not even say forward, but not getting booked for it or invitation of some sort. That wouldn't be right. So people looking forward to see Bounty Killer mashing up the show. Mash up the show. You know Killer doing thing. You understand? Because remember, that's where it all start from. So greatness we are saying. Gaza. Make sure you subscribe. Smash it like notification. So Jamaica want let's try on a split now.